LNEYA's TCU temperature control unit is a device used to control the temperature of reactors. It is widely used in batch production process temperature control in pharmaceutical and fine chemical workshops, with the temperature control range from -120 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, and is suitable for temperature control requirements of reaction vessels of various specifications from 10 liter to 5,000 liter. The equipment uses existing thermal energy to integrate into a single fluid system or secondary loop used to control the temperature of process equipment, forming a non-contact temperature control system for a single heat transfer liquid in the jacket of the reaction vessel. The equipment uses LNEYA's independently developed model-free self-building algorithm and a general anti-hysteresis cascade algorithm to meet complex process control requirements such as intermittent reactors or continuous process cooling and heating, and can accurately control the temperature of the reactor material with a temperature control accuracy of up to ±1 degrees Celsius. The fully enclosed pipeline design reduces the demand for heat transfer media while improving the heat utilization rate of the system. The high-temperature cooling technology can directly cool down from a high temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. The equipment provides various standard inlet and outlet liquid interface sizes, and selects the appropriate connecting pipe according to the temperature and interface size requirements. It supports non-standard customization and can be used in various high-specification explosion-proof areas.